Welcome to our channel How to IT Tech to PK. In this video we learn uh, how to repair corrupted USB flash drive by using chkdsk cmd command, how to fix corrupted flash drive without losing data in all Windows XP 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. This is happened when sometime USB flash drive is corrupted, then you can use this how to repair corrupted flash drive by using chkdsk cmd command. It is a chkdsk is a cmd command. If you use attrib cmd command, your hidden files is not shown due to some problem. You properly do not use the attrib command, or it is another problem. It is another problem. It is not the it is not hidden files, not the hidden files. Files are hidden folders or system volume information in the USB is corrupted, or the file system of the USB flash drive FAT32 or NTFS is corrupted. Unhide all the files by using control panel folder option. If problem is not solved, then use chkdsk cmd command, or you can use the USB flash drive properties. Right click on the USB and then go to properties and then tools tab and then error checking option. This and this two options are the same, and it is present in all Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. So why we do not use this option? These option 100% sure solve this problem. If you do not show all the data, do not worry. You will run the attrib command or Windows unhide option. If you solve the problem, then okay. If you not solve the problem and your file is hidden, and you suddenly surprised that if you open the USB flash drive and the folder that you copied recently is not present, then what happened? Due to viruses, sometime our USB get corrupted. When the USB get corrupted, it means that USB is not corrupted, and USB file system in which files are present, file system is corrupted. Like our Windows run in the C drive. If C drive is corrupted, it means that it is not computer is corrupted. It means that file system is corrupted. So we run the chkdsk command. It has happened when sometime we work in the USB and light goes off suddenly. Then this option will surely help you. Beside this, it is also corrupted by a virus. Corrupt USB flash drive by virus. It means that USB flash drive is corrupted by a virus, or improper shutdown, or we do not inject the USB flash drive by safely injected. Due to this, it is happen. So we plug the USB in the computer. I press on the keyboard window sign, flag sign, and press combinedly press the E button. When I press the E button, it is and this quick access is highlighted. I go to my USB and I go to my USB. I open the USB, and this is the data is now like this, so if your folder is not shown, only this folder or this folder, only 4 folder are present and remaining data is not present here. I tried I search here, I type the name of the file. I do not found this file. I unhide by attrib command. My problem is not solved. Then what I do, I run the command in the cmd. I run the command in the cmd chk dsk chk dsk. My volume drive is D. My USB drive is volume D. chk dsk. Then I type D/F. This Windows has scanned the file system and found no problem. No further action is required. If Windows find the problem, then it will repair the corrupted files folder. It will repair the files, and then suddenly when I run this command with the /f switch, matlab means that /f mean force the chk dsk command to repair the flash drive. Hope you learn in this video. Hopefully your problem is solved. If you not solve the problem, then please comment, type in the comment. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button. If you find more videos on this topic, please put in the comment. Like this video, meet you in the next video. I try to cover some points about corrupted USB flash drive or unhidden or different scenarios discuss. Hopefully you will find this video helpful.